All right, let me guess. You're overwhelmed by the clutter and chaos in your home. Your home doesn't match who you are. You wish it was organized and in order, and you're ready to take back control, but you have no idea where to start. All you need are proven systems, the right product, and a team of professionals, that's us, to help get it done. There are a million reasons why people can't seem to get organized on their own, but that's where we come in. Our team has over 8,000 organizing hours under our belt and counting. We have the expertise to create custom systems that work for years to come in every one of your spaces. We curate product just for your space. That's a perfect combination of function and beauty. And lastly, we have the time and the team to tackle any size project that you have. Can you imagine for a second having a team of 4 expert organizers come into your home, work a full day? That's 32 hours dedicated and hyper-focused on your space. Imagine what could get done. You can go from chaos and anxiety at breakfast to order and peace at dinner. That sounds good to me. Now I know what you're thinking. How much is this gonna cost me? Is it an investment? Sure, but the quality and the value that you'll receive will certainly surpass your expectations. Our average client books us to come back at least 3 times in their home, and that should tell you everything you need to know. If you're wondering what they think, you can check out our Google reviews or on our website. To see some behind the scenes of what we have to offer, follow us on Instagram or YouTube. But ultimately, you've got to make the decision. Are you ready to take back control? If you are, you're in the right place. Click the Book Now button and let's get started.